What's up, everyone? Today we're going to be doing a review on the Vacmaster Professional Vacuum Cleaner. It's a wet and dry vacuum. Just purchased this thing online a couple of days ago, and I'm going to try it out on my car, my wife's car actually. So the kids, obviously, they're dirtying the car seats and got some chocolate in there. It's kind of pretty gross, but this is gonna be a good review on the actual Vacmaster and the wet vacuum. And what I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to try to clean everything, scrub it using a drill brush, kind of detailing the whole car, but I'm going to use the vacuum to suck up all the excess water, and that's going to be a good test. So I've actually heard some great reviews on the vacuum, and definitely excited to use it. The suction on it is really good. So let's put it to the test. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed and see what it comes with. All right, guys, so let's see what's in this box. Again, I purchased it a couple days ago, and we're going to look first time, see what's in the box, what it comes with really quickly. Don't want to bore you guys with this. Definitely want to get to the juice, the meat of the whole video. But as you can see, got the tube here. This is going to be really good for detailing cars. I think if you have, again, with carpet cleaning as well, you're going to have a good vacuum to be able to use. So we have here, and I do not see a hose. So I think I got this shipped without a hose. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can contact them, see if we can find a hose, because this is not good. All right, guys, so a little mix up. I thought there was no hose, but then I went ahead and opened this, and there we have the filter, and we also have the hoses. We also have the hose piece here along. So we have the hose. Again, you saw these two pieces here. It's a bag here, not sure what this for, probably for the accessories. We also have this here, a couple of pieces here I'm going to put out in front, just so you guys can see. Don't know what that is. It's all right. A couple of brackets. Don't know what that is. A couple of screws. So yeah, it does come with everything. But I'm gonna assemble this really quick. I'm not gonna bore you with it. I'm gonna assemble it, and then we're gonna go ahead and clean up the car, soaping it down, and using the vacuum to check out the suction. So let's get this assembled and move on to the next step and watch this vacuum at work. Putting the vacuum on is pretty easy. There was a time where I actually had to look into the manual. It's pretty easy. Put the noise reduction and the hose and put the vacuum in, and that's pretty much it. The vacuum. Oh yeah. Look at that. Even leaves a mark on the carpet. This is a really strong vacuum. Alright, guys, so here's a better look at the carpet that I'm going to be cleaning up. As you can see, there's stains here, and obviously down there there's going to be a bunch of stains. So I bought this kit on Amazon. It's basically a brush, a couple brushes, and a extension. So we're gonna use that along with the drill gun from what I know, the white brushes, that's something that, after doing some research, that's something that you're going to want to use on your car. There's also the yellow brushes, but I think they're more of a harder material, so it might damage the seats. But we're gonna try this out. All right, so we got this area here. All right, let's try the vacuum. There we go. Look at that.
Stop, you guys. Keep it down. What are you doing, Ricky? You can come in outside.
All right, guys. So here's the car, all done. Definitely different. The car right there. Nice clean seats. And this is still a little wet. Car there. And some more garbage that I'm gonna have to pick up, but I'm gonna wipe the car down. But that's pretty much it. I think it pretty good job. Well, that was my review on the Vacmaster professional beast. Definitely was a beast. I give it 4.8. Anything better would possibly be amazing. But not saying that this is not amazing, but it is really good. The compact size, I would definitely say it's no need to worry. Imagine how much things you're going to be able to pick up to fill up a 5-gallon, even a bucket. So unless you're not unloading everything that you clean, then that becomes a problem. But to me, it was either this one or buy something else from Home Depot, which is like the rigid, the bigger ones. I was even thinking of getting a 16-gallon one. But I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad I made this decision because of horsepower, 5.5 horsepower, and just a compact version, so it's not going to be a big, bulky vacuum in my garage. Definitely a plus. And only thing is that I wish I can put some wheels on this, but being as it's so light, I don't know. I just pick it up and move it around. So, and the water deal is just amazing. So definitely good to detail your car. Good for cleaning your car and not having to go to the gas station or a car cleaner and vacuum when you get solid performance from a piece like this. So I definitely give it a thumbs up. Well spent. $80. I'll be willing to pay another $80 if this happens to fall apart again. I would buy it again in a heartbeat. So thumbs up, and that's my review for it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think it's an amazing vacuum, and I'm really happy that I bought it. So all right, so we'll see you next time.